Shenzhen Ritian Technology Company Limited, established in 2005, is a professional factory engaged in the research, development, sale and service of protective film, car paint protective film, PET protective film, OPP protective film, and dental barrier film. We have been providing cost-effective, reliable products for decades. Created in our 7,000 square meters manufacturing facility in Shenzhen, China. Our protection films are applicable to a wealth of uses, including construction, automotive, aluminum profiles, pre-painted metals, plastic sheets, domestic appliances, and electronic devices. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained RoHS certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as America, United Kingdom, Turkey, Pakistan, Vietnam, Indonesia, Brazil, South Africa, Australia, and so on. We have over 15 years of experience in protective film industry. OEM and ODM and custom and bespoke orders are acceptable. We can adapt our protection film parameters to a specific characteristics suitable for your business or special need. Whether selecting a current product from our website or seeking special customized protective film for your application, you can email us or talk to us about your sourcing requirements. Please feel free to contact us if you need our catalog of protective film.